Karan to answer all the problems that people have. People confessing to Meera, heart to heart with Meera. What happens from 9 to midnight? You cannot but crush on Gunjan because she's your midnight crush on Ishq FM.
And Shivangani.
How can I forget Sid K? My Ishq Khul Ke with Sid K.
यार ताली बजा दो दोस्तों सबके लिए यार क्या फोर्स है यार कुछ तो बजाओ ताली थैंक यू बट यू नो व्हाट Gunjan we really look up to you Karan
I don't have to.
no I haven't worn my heels today you know I generally wear heels all right ladies and gentlemen before we do a photo op with the entire team we've got very naughty RJs okay they're very naughty Karan I'm warning you next time don't tell me I didn't warn you in advance this man you see here with that lovely grey goatee all right you want to tell Karan something from your heart and I know it. It's bro code. What do you want to ask him?
Actually, Karan, the thing that I want to really ask you is that when we're doing our shows, we're facing a computer or a wall. And if you were to start thinking about what we're doing, we're actually talking to a wall, you know. And that's where the imagination comes in. So do you imagine the kind of, I mean, are you looking forward to imagining the kind of people you're going to be talking to because you're not going to see them?
Well, I actually am a filmmaker, so imagination is part of my business. And I think that's what I'm going to do. When I always believe that voices give me faces. And even if the faces don't coincide with the voice eventually, I'm definitely going to get a beautiful or a kind of a face in front of me. And then I'm going to pretend I'm going to speak to that face, because that's exactly how I'm going to keep this going. That's the only way I know how to make movies. That's the only way I'll know how to handle radio.
And now we know why our jobs are under threat.
Ladies and gentlemen, anyone wants Moonfully selling, we are there. But you know what? You're talking about imagination. I want to add to that. Is your imagination going to be wild?
My imagination is only wild.
Okay, next up, Meera. How you doing, man?
Very well. Welcome on board.
Thank you.
Karan.
I can't wait to start.
That voice we associate with throwing questions, the rapid fire questions at others.
Right.
And now you're going to have people throwing questions at you. You're going to be on
Right.
the other side.
Yeah.
Are you going to duck them? Are you going to take them all?
No, in
What's
fact,
the plan?
I've been doing this for free all through my life. Giving people relationship advice is my thing. In fact, many times Karina has teased me and said that that sofa in your house is like a therapist couch. It's like so many people have come and actually asked me and I've given them. Khud to I've been single for most of my life. I don't think I have the right to give relationship advice, but somehow or the other my understanding of people, dynamics, relationship issues, etc. is fairly astute. So I've been doing this for free. So now that I have a platform, I'm not saying that radio is paying me that much. It's just, it just gives me an additional vertical to kind of add to my, I think, bucket list of things to do. So this is the first time I'm actually on an official platform doing what I've been doing for free for the last 4 decades.
No, but I have one thing. Talking about payment. What you're getting paid is what I've been paid for the last 20 years. You're getting that in one show. Do you know that?
Don't say that and spread rumors for no rhyme or reason. I'm doing this for the love of radio.
Talking about love for radio, I just love the next lady we're going to talk as well. She's Sangi. We've got the Tamilian code.
Love, you know, love is not the 4-letter word that I associate you with.
Amma, if you're
I'm
watching
sure
this,
it's just love for
don't
me.
believe him, Amma.
All right,
But
yes.
Karan, welcome on
Thank you,
board.
thank
and
you.
it's so amazing that I get to call Karan RJ Karan.
Yeah,
How
totally.
cool is that?
Totally. Do the ishq, baby.
He's learning and he's fast and he's a pro, we know that. But as an RJ, we're often told that, you know, you need to get some part of your personality outside, you know. So try and be yourself. How much of yourself are you going to be on the show? Are you going to be Kurt?
I mean, have
Are
you
gonna be-
seen, what do you think my personality is? Let me ask you. Let me swing the
You
question
are
back at you.
like so colorful that my hair color feels a little out of place.
But you can also get very diplomatic.
Exactly.
No,
are you
I
gonna
get
be-
diplomatic depending on the platform.
Okay.
So if you call me to a political event, I'm going to be diplomatic because I could land myself into trouble.
Right.
If you call me to a corporate event, I'm going to try and sound clever, which was borderline, diplomatic as well. You put me on a talk show that talks about rumors and scandals, I'm not going to be diplomatic. You
Right.
put me on a radio show that's talking about love, lust, and relationships, I'm certainly not going to be diplomatic. So I think everything will be unleashed on that show. I'm so worried I'm going to land myself into trouble by the things and the advice I give, because I have a tendency of doing that, landing myself into trouble for things
Right.
I say. Sometimes I just can't zip it, and I don't mean my pant. I mean my mouth.
Right.
It used to happen with my dietary issues, and now it's going to happen with the words that are going to come out. So while I'm going to be saying "do the ishq baby," I mean something else altogether in my head.
Right. But you know, we can just flaunt the fact that we have our own BFF in our office. That's Karan Johar. So thank
I
you.
am. That's the whole mantra, is to be everyone's BFF, because you know I'm good at being a friend. You know, it's what I do for a business.
Yeah.
You know, if you get into trouble, don't worry. You see these women out here, they're going to protect you, Karan.
I have to say that everyone thinks just voices. It's so unfortunate these are only voices and they're not faces. They're all gorgeous.
I only come to the office to look at them, Karan. Look at them. They're so gorgeous, yeah.
Are you
You
gonna
better
cast
look at
us?
them. What am I going to do?
Are you like going to cast us? Are we, our Bollywood ambitions are coming out poot ke abhi is waqt.
Phoot phoot ke when am I casting?
Bahut.
This is not a question you had on your
Hey
agenda.
Bhagwan.
Okay, listen, quick. Can you cast them in your movie like the leading lady? Dekha, that's the power of the ladies. They are bomb blasts.
We don't need the light. We have them.
Arey wow. So any
And
movie
we have your jacket.
which is better than the face. All right.
Okay, listen. Have we lost light? Have we lost Facebook light as well?
Shivangli.
I just want to welcome
Facebook live is still
Karan
on.
to Ishq 104.8 with
Oh. Hey, is
bit
that a
of it.
present or are we launching something? I'm so used to that as well.
Sorry.
Is this a present or are we launching something that I have to show up for a photo
no,
op?
no, this you take home. This is with
That's
Ishq
my
one-
hamper. Oh God, okay. Thank you so much.
No, but you have to return the hamper after the press con. We- Please give it to us.
No,
He's taking it
I'm not
right
giving
away.
you anything said.
Acha,
All right,
now
moving on.
before we move on, I would like our friends from the media to have a photo op with all our star jocks and the man who's going to be our best friend, Karan Johar. Photo opportunity, please. Everybody, please come in front. All of us. Shivangni? Come, Shivangni.
Calling Karan on Ishq 104.8.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Karan had a comment. Please come here, come here. He just loved your sexy voice right now. Will you do a live one? Will you like do that live sexy voice?
I want
Come
to
on.
hear it, like calling Karan.
Okay. So,
So love that.
okay, no, doesn't matter. Let's do it. Take one. Take one.
Calling Karan, only on Ishq 104.8.
I'm going to call you every minute, darling. I love that.
What makes you think she's going to take those calls?
I always talk to myself most of the time, anyways.
It's okay.
Thank you so much to all our star jocks. We are so proud to be on the same platform. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kabir. Aisha, thank you. Yeah, we're going to be together. Shivangani, me, you, Karan, all of us. Thank you so much. All right, Karan, you'll be taking center stage. Please sit here. I'm going to wipe the seat only for you. Karan, she's the boss, huh? We have to keep her very happy.
why I was bringing her in the
boss.
center.
I love it. PR activity, great, man. Superb. All right, so we met our jocks.
Right.
They've thrown googlies at you.
Right.
But the media wants to hear about your future journey as this best friend. You're excited about radio. And yes, we're excited to hear you as well.
Right.
So tell the media, what do you have in your mind which is going to take this whole calling Karan to a whole new dimension on radio?
Well, like I said, I think giving relationship advice has always been one of the most exciting parts of me being a friend or me being an associate to many, many. And I've done this for almost free, actually completely free, all through my living years. So this time when I got the opportunity, and especially on such an amazing platform like Ishq 104.8 FM, I took it up immediately. It was the one item on my bucket list that I hadn't ticked. I've done television, I've done film, I've kind of dabbled in fashion, and I've done so many things, almost like I feel like I'm a jack of too many trades. So I really felt that radio was the one platform that I hadn't visited. And this is actually an amazing capacity to kind of visit radio with, because it's me being me, giving relationship advice about love, about messed up relationships, about broken hearts, one-sided love, which I love, and of course, lust, which is a big part of a relationship, you know. So lust advice, love advice, all kinds of advice. I'm your one-stop shop. And the important thing is to behave like and pretend not, but actually be everyone's BFF. Is truly be a friend to everyone who's tuning into the radio station, who's really working out at the radio station, and just being that best friend to everyone. Because that's the only way you accept advice, is actually if you get it from a friend, and a friend who means well. And every time I hear about love issues and relationship issues, I truly take it to heart, because I believe we're all about the relationships that make us and surround us, and I'm all about that. So Ishq is the right platform, love is the mantra, lust is the aspiration, and I'm your one-stop shop.
And lust is my aspiration too. I'm only going to call you for lustful calls.
You call me, just don't be lusty with me, because I'm not interested.
Like if I talk to you like this, hi Karan, how you doing?
I'm like, I'm doing well, don't call me.
You can't refuse a sexy voice like that.
I totally can.
Okay, now, you know what? I've got this gentleman who wants to talk to you right here, right now. So I want you to get back to your job, which is that console. I'm not going to tell you who's going to call you. Can I have my volunteer, this young man? Come here, brother. Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen. He's a Casanova amongst women above the age of 75.
Who, him?
Yeah, he's a big Casanova. He's a player. Okay. All right? Okay, now, so, Karan?
Clearly this headphone was chosen by you, Sage.
Please wear your headphones. Ladies and gentlemen, Karan Johar with Calling Karan live in front of the friends from media, Facebook, all across. Give it up. So, you want to do an intro to your show and then ask for your caller?
Yeah, I'm ready. Who wants to talk to me? Why have I become a VJ? I'm ready
Hello?
to pick this. Hello?
नमस्ते इश्क एफएम हाँ जी
yes.
मैं सिद्धार्थ बोल रहा हूँ दिल्ली से देखिए यार मेरी एक प्रॉब्लम है एक्चुअली मेरे नहीं मेरे दोस्त के बारे में है जिसे मुझे लगता है बहुत गाइडेंस की ज़रूरत है तो जब मेरे दोस्त ने अपने करियर की शुरुआत करी तब वो एक डायरेक्टर थे और फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा कि वो उनको एक्टिंग करनी है तो फिर उन्होंने एक्टिंग भी करी फिर बोलते हैं कि मुझे टॉक शो होस्ट करने हैं तो फिर टॉक शो भी होस्ट किए जहाँ पे वो नाचते भी थे हाँ बहुत अच्छी तरह नाचते थे एक ही स्टेप करते थे पर नाचते थे और फिर अभी अभी मैंने सुना है कि उनका रेडियो पे एक नया शो आने वाला है यार मुझे एक बात बताओ मेरे दोस्त को ऐसी क्या बीमारी है कि वो एक चीज पे नहीं टिक सकता प्लीज मुझे हेल्प करिए मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज हूं कि मेरा दोस्त करता क्या है
ये बहुत गंभीर समस्या है जो इन्होंने मुझसे ये पूछा है कि ये दोस्त करता क्या है पहले डायरेक्टर था फिर एक्टर था फिर रियलिटी शो जज करता था टॉक शो होस्ट करता था रेडियो पे आ गया है कोई बीमारी तो जरूर होगी मुझे लगता है एडवाइस मैं ये दूंगा कि उस दोस्त को बहुत जल्द अपनी नेक्स्ट पिक्चर बना लेनी चाहिए कि बस बहुत हो गया ये और आई थिंक ये डेफिनेटली कोई मल्टीपल पर्सनालिटी डिसऑर्डर वाली बीमारी है
मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ ये आवाज बड़ी फेमिलियर लगी ये कौन सा सिद्धार्थ है यानी कैसे कौन हो सकता है ये जो फोन कर रहा है आपको ऐसे
आपने कहा वो जेंटलमैन है तो इत्तेफाक से उसका फोन आ गया
Ladies and gentlemen, our first caller, Siddharth Malhotra. Thank you. Karan, we are looking forward to such conversations, but we also have...
I just want to say that this will not be the kind of question I'm sure that will come. ये हम relationship, love, lust के बारे में ये मेरे बारे में ये सवाल था. It will not be about me, it will be about the people who tune in and call in.
He is also going to call you a lot of times, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, he's a great guy. I love him. Thank you, brother. Thank you. God bless you. All right, now, आपके शो में मैंने सुना है there's a reverse rapid fire.
Reverse rapid fire.
Right?
Correct.
Okay, so there are going to be people calling you and doing the ulta, what you do with them.
Okay.
Okay? So here goes. Stars come to you for hookup or breakup. Zada kya?
Both. First they hook up, then they get involved, and then they want to break up.
Who is the one who gives you the sauciest gossip in the Indian film industry?
Kareena Kapoor.
Have you ever stalked your ex on social media?
I've not had many ex situations, but I stalk everybody on social media.
So if a dodgy...
I'm obsessed by stalk. I love to know where people are, what they're doing, who they're with, and when they've come back through the airport.
Super. You know, if a dodgy guy like me who loves stalking, I'm very bad at that. Just give me one great stalking tip. Like, people should call me the legend of stalking. What would that tip be?
To stalk.
Yeah, one tip. Give me a great-
Instagram does it all. If they're Insta story friendly, then you'll even be better at it. Just check out their Insta stories. You'll know exactly what's happening.
So just sit on Instagram, that's it.
Just sit on Instagram. And Twitter gives you their philosophical thoughts and sometimes their promotional theories. But more than anything, Instagram gives you a feeling. Body language is a big giveaway. So when you see a photograph, just zoom in and you'll find out exactly what's up.
So you also zoom in.
I zoom into everyone.
Everybody, anything.
Everyone. I zoom in a lot. It's a thing I do.
Oh, love it, love it. Now, if you had to swap your life with somebody outside Bollywood, who would it be?
Why would I want to leave this place and swap my life for anything? It's the best place to be in. I mean, I wouldn't want to go anywhere. I'm blessed. I mean, I make movies. You laugh, dance, sing, and cry. There's no better place to be in. I don't want to swap my life with anyone.
And now you're going to be on radio, baby.
Yeah. So then, what am I saying? It's the best life
Absolutely,
ever.
man. All right. Now, if you had to go on an island with that someone and just want to be with that person on that island, who would that person be?
Not you.
No, I want to come here. I want to come. You'll see me in my nice
Who will I want to go
swimming
with?
trunks.
Listen, I only want to go with my 2 babies.
How sweet.
I don't want to take anyone else on that island.
Wow. Give it up for his 2 kids. I'm sure they're going to be one of our prime listeners as well. Okay?
Yeah, totally. They're going to tune in totally.
Yeah, you never know. Yeah.
I like Papa Pagal. Okay.
Okay, now we're going to do an FB Live. We've got a lot of people who are kind of tuning into us right now. Hello. You want to say hello to those guys there, out there?
Hi everyone, I'm with Sid and he needs to wake up.
Okay, sorry. Wake up, Sid. I'm always in bed, baby. I never wake up.
Oh, that's lovely.
Oh, okay. Ashwin Bangera, Ketki Verma, hello. Khyati Gupta.
Hello, Ketaki Verma hai. Ketaki Verma has a gift hamper. Ashwin Bangera has joined. Khyati Gupta has also joined. Now what do we do?
Okay, now there are some questions as well. There is a person called Priyanka Sebastian.
Priyanka Sebastian.
Yeah, Priyanka says, you know, I've been on 2 dates. They were phenomenal. They were like, wow. And then the third one was a Mawali, all right? And then suddenly I realized that...
The same person.
Yeah, with the same person. So,
the
first
first
2 dates...
2, he was fine.
Yeah, he was like
Third
very
one,
cool. Like he was like, you know, like me, okay? And then third one, he became a Mawaliya.
Right.
What does she do? Because she didn't like that side.
2 things. Either he doesn't like her, so he was trying to throw her off by being somebody he's not. Or thirdly, that's exactly who he is. And if she doesn't like that type, she should run away.
Wow. So remember, lady, if you don't like Mawalis, run away, okay?
Firstly, I don't understand why she's like kind of generalizing. What is Mawali type? I don't get it. Did he kind of behave like out of sorts? That we'll find out when we see her. But yes, I think if he's behaving out of sorts from the first 2 dates, then definitely he doesn't like her and he wants her to kind of reject him. So it's an easy exit for him. Or this is who he really is, and if he's not her type, then go away.
Okay. So remember, you got the advice. Go away, lady. The next question is from Ashwin Bangera. Now, Ashwin says, I suddenly have started liking my girlfriend's sister, okay?
Okay.
And now I feel the girlfriend's sister has started liking me too. What do I do?
If you've started liking your girlfriend's sister, that means you've stopped liking your girlfriend. Clearly, you're not investing in her as much as you used to, so that means that, you know, you're kind of out of that relationship in a certain way. That's why you're looking for attraction elsewhere. Now, I suggest if you want to respect your relationship with your girlfriend, then don't go down that path with her sister because it'll break your girlfriend's heart, who will become your ex-girlfriend eventually, and it'll be not only good for you and her, but not good for the siblings as well. So walk out and look elsewhere in any case. Not necessarily at the girlfriend sister. Just walk out because I think your relationship has reached its expiry date.
Great. I do look out all the time, yeah, Karan. I mean,
You must. Are you married?
yes, I am.
Then you must look out. That's the only way you kind of
Absolutely.
make yourself
I
happy.
just want to say hi to my neighbor's wife. Can we do that as well? She's
Yeah, of
watching.
course you do.
Hello, hello, darling. How are you?
Just make sure your neighbor is not strong and bigger than you.
Okay, everyone's bigger than me, man.
Okay.
Okay, give it up. Thank you so much for all those people who've been on FB Live. Tune into Karan's show. Karan, you want to say a nice big bye to those
Hey,
guys?
Thanks, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being with us. This is a very exciting journey for me and everyone at Ishq 104.8 FM, and I can't wait for you to be my regular call-ins.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, call in Karan on Ishq 104.8. Ladies and gentlemen, tune in. We've got all of you here. Thank you so much for being a part of this. Shivangani, you want to say a big bye to them? They're going to be supporting us for this big mega show as well.
Tune in on 4th December, 8 p.m. Ishq 104.8. That's the frequency.
4th December, 8 a.m., 10 p.m. on 104.8. Do the Ishq, baby.
And remember, when a man holds a woman's hand before marriage, it's love. After marriage, it's self-defense. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being a part of this launch. Thank you, Karan. Love you. Thank you, Shivangani. Thank you, guys. Give us all the support. Give us all the love. Do the Ishq, baby. This is me, Siddharth Karan, saying, Jo bhi karo life mein, ishq ke saath karo. Thank you. Tali baja do bhaiyo, come on. Okay, before we do that, now all you have to do is, ladies and gentlemen, lift your hands up. Our volunteers will come, or you can just throw your voice and ask questions. Yes, sir. What's your name?
Hi, Karan.
Hi, my question to you is that you are that bunch of energy which spreads love and happiness wherever you go. I was at the Mami Fest. I wanted to talk to you with Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor, but I couldn't do because I was sitting behind. So I love you, and this is magic happening that I'm getting to talk to a person I look up to. My question to you is, award shows, Coffee with Karan, everywhere we see you, we love you. And what one thing made you say yes to this radio? And how are you watching yourself in future?
Well, it's the one thing, Karan, that I haven't done, and that was attracted me the most. I tend to kind of like to do different things. I'm Gemini, so I have multiple parts of my personality that always want to unravel. I think this was the one platform that I hadn't visited. Giving relationship advice is the other thing that really attracted to me. I absolutely love doing that. It also makes you hear different stories, different lives, and that's something that I'm always voyeuristic about. I think my cinema is a result of people and their lives, and the observations I make as a result of it. So this gave me an immediate access to that zone, and I'm really happy that I was given the opportunity on a prolific platform such as Ishq 104.8 FM. Please call. Because I'm sure you, like just everybody else, has messed up relationship life. So, I mean, like everybody. Nobody is happy in their relationship, and I am the best for it.
And I like your name, Karan, huh? I really like that name. What are you saying? Because of Karan Johar, you got a name, Karan, given to yourself.
But my Patri name is Rahul. It was 4 days. 4 days later, my mother got this thought. She woke up and said, I want to name my son Karan. And that's why I got called Karan.
I love you. You want to come and give Karan Johar a hug? You want to do that? Come. Aja. Beta, you deserve it because he's got a nickname called Karan. Please come. But, huh? Lovely. 2 Karans. And one day you'll be part of Dharma. Hum sabko naukri bhi dena, beta. Okay.
Hello.
Next question, please. Please lift your hand up.
Yeah. Karan, my name is Imran.
I'm Imran.
Hi. I wanted to ask you what relationship advice you will give yourself like when you were 20, what relationship advice you want to give that Karan right now?
When I was 20, that I should have taken chances.
So you didn't?
I didn't take chances. I played it safe.
All right.
I also played it safe a lot, man. That's my only regret in life here.
You got married as playing it safe.
Okay, next question. Somebody behind.
Hi Karan, Neha here.
Hi Neha.
Hi. अच्छा आप BFF हो पूरी इंडस्ट्री के सब आपके पास आते हैं एडवाइस लेने जानना चाहेंगे करण किसके पास जाता है किसी भी चीज की एडवाइस लेने
मैं बहुत फिल्मी आंसर आपको दूंगा लेकिन सही है और सच है मैं अपने माँ के पास जाता हूँ तो सबके पास और कोई है मेरे पास माँ है
अच्छा कोई एडवाइस अगर संजय लीला बंसाली को देनी हो क्योंकि पद्मावती बहुत ज्यादा इशू में चल रही है बीइंग अ फिल्ममेकर
वो जिक्र किसी और प्लेटफॉर्म का है इस पे वो आई थिंक वो थोड़ा वो इशू बहुत बड़ा है तो वी शुड टॉक
मैम आप प्यार की बातें करो लस्ट की बातें करो आज प्लीज हाँ प्रॉमिस करो तालियां इनके लिए प्लीज वी वांट टू हियर योर कॉल प्लीज लव इश्क ओके द जेंटलमैन देयर
करण कमलिया फ्रॉम E24 हाय करण जानना चाहूँगा कि जैसे कि आपने कहा कि आपने जिक्र किया कि आप लोगों को एडवाइस देते हैं बॉलीवुड में ऐसा कौन सा बंदा है जो आपसे सबसे ज़्यादा एडवाइस लिया हो लाइक BFF आप सभी के हैं सिद्धार्थ आलिया या कोई भी और भी नाम आप किसको एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे सबसे ज़्यादा
मैं बहुत एडवाइस का काउंटर खोल लेता हूँ अपने ऑफिस में घर पे बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं मैं एडवाइस देने में माहिर हूँ मुझे बहुत पसंद आता था लोगों को एडवाइस देना तो आई थिंक बहुत सारे ऐसे हैं सिद्धार्थ आलिया वरुण ही नहीं आई थिंक देयर लॉट्स ऑफ फ्रेंड्स आई हैव हैड मैं उनसे भी एडवाइस ले लेता हूँ कभी उनको एडवाइस देता हूँ तो ऐसा एक पर्टिकुलर नाम नहीं है बहुत सारे हैं ऐसे रिश्ते इंडस्ट्री में जिनको मैंने एडवाइस के डिपार्टमेंट में एंटरटेन किया है
कहीं ना कहीं देखते हैं कि जो सोशल मीडिया पर आपका और कंगना का जो लव
दोस्त तो मैं एक्स्ट्रा सवाल के लिए 100 रुपए बेटा
चलेगा, मेरे से ले लेना।
नहीं बेटा, आज नहीं बेटा, एक्स्ट्रा सवाल बाद में बच्चे। 100 रुपए मुझे अंडर द टेबल देना बेटा, यहाँ मत दे देना प्लीज। गिव इट अप फॉर हिम लेडीज एंड आई लव हिज हेयर स्टाइल। तालियां प्लीज, आई लव दैट हेयर स्टाइल। गॉड ब्लेस यू। अच्छा हवा आ रहा है? गॉड ब्लेस, लव यू। व्हाट अ लवली स्माइल यू हैव। खुश रहो ना बेटा, आ जाओ। नेक्स्ट।
Hi Karan, Justin here. Karan, ever has it happened that two actors working in your film, maybe director or your production, have fallen in love with each other and you've got to know and you...
Oh yeah, all the time. It
You
happens,
gossip monger.
It's happened more than 5 times, I can assure you. It happens all the time. People fall in love, yeah. It's an industry of love. It
But
has
then
to
do you like have a policy that actors can't fall in love
No,
with?
no,
Because
I love
other
it.
directors have.
I love it. Which director has such a policy?
We've heard.
I can't believe you can ever stop anybody's personal life. You're here to work, make movies. What people do in their personal capacity is entirely their thing. And in fact, if they fall in love, it's great. If it's legit and lovely and above boards of human decency and morality, it's fine. And even if it's not, it's their problem.
But you know why it has never affected the film, right? I mean, it has never affected the film. That's what I'm asking.
It says, has the romance between the actors affected the film?
No, it only enhances it.
Thank you.
You know, I know why. In your office, because you're shady now, they've kept this rule. Because you'll flirt with every...
Oh, are you talking like because offices have rules that you're not to fall in love and kind of like be at it with each other? No, it doesn't work in the movies. It's cold here at times when you shoot outdoors. You never know what comes out of that.
I'm feeling cold right now also.
Stay away.
Okay, next question. Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hi,
Hello.
Karan.
Hi.
करण, मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि जैसे कि आपकी फिल्म थी ऐ दिल है मुश्किल,
जी।
काफ़ी समस्याओं का सामना करना पड़ा रिलीज के वक्त, और अब पद्मावती के साथ भी ऐसा हो रहा है। क्या आपको लगता है क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम?
देखिए, ये जो मंच है, इसके बारे में मैंने अभी कहा कि ये जिक्र इस बात का इस मंच पे तो मैं नहीं करना चाहूँगा क्योंकि ये मंच वो नहीं है। ये एक रेडियो शो का मंच है, तो इस पे मैं ये कोई कमेंट नहीं ऑफर
सवाल पद्मावती के बारे में नहीं, एग्जैक्टली ये है कि क्या क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम कम हो रही है जिस तरह से इंटॉलरेंस दिखाया जा रहा है फिल्मों को लेकर?
मैंने कहा ये मंच वो नहीं।
और मैं बोलूं करण, हम लोग ने तो आपको क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम दिया है रेडियो में यार। रेडियो में कितनी क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम आपको दी है हम लोगों ने ना।
थैंक यू।
मैंने ही बोला था उन लोग को देने के लिए आपको। थैंक यू सो मच सर। वी हैव लॉट ऑफ रेडियो क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। हाउ यू ब्रदर?
ऑल गुड। हाय करण, अभिषेक हियर।
हाय अभिषेक।
हाय। जैसे कि आपने बताया यू आर बीएफएफ इन बॉलीवुड विद एवरीवन and you have got your BFF back, Kajal back in your life now. So how's it having your best friend again in life?
Again, I feel this platform is not about my personal life, but just to say that Kajal has always been and will always remain more than special to me for time to come, always.
Great, brother. But if you want to ask some relationship advice about how you're dating those 3 girls and you want to juggle them up, he'll tell you right now. You can balance 3 women. Ladies and gentlemen, the legend of Ishq. ये आदमी, इनके लिए ताली बजाइए। 3 गर्लफ्रेंड संभालते हैं सर। यहाँ पे एक नहीं होती। अच्छा, कोई और सवाल पूछिए। I want that ma'am there, yeah, who's on the last row. I find you very cute, ma'am. I want you to ask one question. Please, put your hand up. Give it up. Stand up, yeah. Come on, man. I really find you very cute. Look at that smile. Hello, ma'am.
I wanted Karan to talk about Padmavati since it's a big issue. But since
issue mat karo, baba. Issue mat karo. Pyar bato na.
Yeah, but since...
You know, I've realized the reason why I'm not commenting on anything else but the event I'm here for is that invariably things sometimes just seem out of context. So that's why when we are in when I'm at, say, talking about at the World Economic Forum and we talk social, economic, political issues, we'll talk there. When we're on a more serious platform, we're talking about debates to do with issues that surround us, our country, we talk about it there. This is about love and feeling and relationships and lust and all the exciting things that come with human dynamics. So to talk about such heavy-weighted and serious and very thought-provoking issues, I just feel it's not the platform.
Okay, ma'am, one sec before.
But I have a question.
Yes.
Yeah. So
First, I have to screen your question. You're being a naughty girl, yeah. What are you going to ask?
I am.
Ha.
Yeah. So anyway, the question is, India is not a society where, you know, LGBTQ questions or people talk openly. Do you think you will be addressing this question?
If I get questions from in that context, of course I will. I will be happy to. I will be happy to address it. I will be happy to be of help, and I will, of course, address those questions and make sure that they come my way.
Thank you so much to everybody. Talia, please. Love you. God bless you. Spread love. And Karan, I am going to give you missed calls only because I can't afford a phone call. Can I give you a missed call on your show?
Yes. Anytime. Free advice for you, Sid.
Thank you so much. I want to give you a hug too. Thank you so much. Love you, Karan Johar, our best friend. Talia, please. And Shivangini, thanks, man. थोड़ा payment बढ़ा देना मेरा, please. Ladies and gentlemen. Huh? Remember, Calling Karan on Ishq 104.8. Do the Ishq, baby. Give it up for all our stalwart jocks here. They make the station happen. Talia and Kile, please. Everybody, I love you.